boots. You gotta go, bro.
Here's your clone.
Alright, let's go. Alright, beautiful people, welcome back to the channel that brings the quickest reviews, only because right after the video we're trying to put these pieces on. So today we got an unboxing and review on the, what was it, the Adidas Adidas Pharrell Williams shoe slides, the sandals. It's not slides, but you know. So yeah, it's the Adidas, I don't know, whatever you guys want to call it, but it's under that. And I basically got a pair because I love those slides. You know, we got to give credit where the credit is due. I can honestly say those are probably the most softest, most comfortable slides ever. I don't know why I'm swinging this around with my cat all over the place. So let's get into it. I do have the box. On this side I got some codes and stuff, so I'm not really trying to show it all. Obviously on the top, you know, shipping label, so we're gonna leave that out, but I'm going to try to open this as comfortable as possible. Start with this side. It says do not open with sharp instrument. Okay, that's the first time I've actually seen that sticker. So opening the box, get a little slice, a little opener. There we go, baby. So we are opening the box right now. It is the slides, dude. Actually, I have a pair of the regular ones, and the fact that Pharrell Williams made this into a sandal, that's a W right there. So obviously you get your regular Adilette box, Adilette, I'm sorry, whatever you guys call it, your world, I just live in it. I did get this in a size 8, Pharrell Williams Adilette 2.0 Tibbit. Yeah, all right. Well, there's a tag. So they are the sandals. Personally, it says online to go with the regular size. Me, I go down to full size, so I'm like a 9.5. I actually went down to an 8 because they don't have half sizes. And these, ooh, I'm excited for these, man. Like when I first saw them leak or like saw photos of them, I was like, I have to get them. Unfortunately, I really, ooh, these are beautiful. I really wanted them in the yellow. Let me just take these out first, but I really wanted them in the yellow, but those sold out quick, the black ones and the white ones. But top 3 would have been yellow, green, white, then black, or top 4, but yeah. All right, so anything else in the box is empty, as you can see. I'm gonna remove these, put this on the ground. Oh, I'm so excited for these, man. Yo, oh, look at that. All right, so on both sides, I got these in the olive green colorways. So both on the top got that hue, you know, the infamous hue that he also puts on top of the NMDs. On the back, got the Adidas original logo with the hue triangle, Illuminati. Just kidding, please don't get me, guys. On the bottom, see, this is how the Adilette bottoms look like. So again, I got a size 8. I got the regular slides in a 9 and it does not fit. I don't know, I guess they say go regular size because people wear, you know, sandals or slides with socks nowadays. I really don't go with that wave, but it's still cool. So again, made in China. Shine. All right, let me work with one. Looking at the slide, you get one tag on the left. From me, I got a tag on the left side. Again, you know, just as usual Adidas tags you get with every purchase. Check that out. You do have a strap here. 2 straps are, just one strap that is removable. I mean, that could open and adjust to the sizing you want. If we go to the insole, oh wow, it's good because it's stitched, so it doesn't come off like right away. It's actually stitched together. You know what I'm talking about? It doesn't separate. One piece, which is good because personally sometimes I hate when a thing goes all over the place and you gotta grab it and stuff. But anyways, back to the point. This is not Velcro. It's just this one piece that's Velcro. This looks like it's adjustable, but not really. It's just there for show, as you can see. Going on to the bottom of the sole, as you can see, it's actually a diagram of like the foot. All right, so you got the toes here, and then it has the name of parts in your body, like kidneys, says liver, stomach. So from what I heard, if you massage these certain parts on your foot, you're massaging that part, or like, you know, working on that part in your body. And the same goes with hands. You gotta look it up. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of weird how it works, but basically I think what he's trying to say is I'm gonna give you guys a very comfortable slipper, a sandal, so all these parts in your body won't ache as much, all thanks to this, because you know, all the stress every day you're using your feet, you're on your feet, you know, that's what they're trying to say. Like, they want you to be comfortable so your body feels good. If you can see that, I don't know, I want to show you guys more, but that's basically just a picture of the foot. I'm gonna be honest, that's it. Don't gotta go crazy on that. So, but yep, there's his infamous logos. Dang, I like that. Sorry about that. So dope. It's colorful, so I like it a lot. Adidas logo on the side. That's it. That's basically it, man. Let me know your thoughts. If you guys need any questions answered, just leave a comment down below. Alright, and that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just doing a quick review so you guys know what y'all messing with. I did, again, get it in the green olive colorway. Wish I got it in the yellow. Again, yellow, green, white, black, pink, blue. I think that's all the colors that I named, but that's the order I would have purchased it in. So here it is. I believe there is green, blue, pink still available, but hopefully they start to restock the other colorways because I really want that yellow, and I wouldn't mind having multiple pair of these because these are 5. I can honestly say that Adilettes are one of the most comfortable slides and sandals. Okay, well, that's Boo's sign to telling me I gotta go. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe for more content. We are coming with more pieces because winter's coming up. Fall, winter is the best season for clothing, for fashion in general, in my opinion. I appreciate you guys so much. Stay tuned. Sorry, before you guys dip, just wanted to give y'all on feet. This is how they look like on feet. Whoa. Ashy legs, ashy feet, my bad. But toe fetish Twitter, where you at? You know what, I can be honest, you can't actually stick to your regular size for these, especially if you're gonna wear socks, and especially if you rock those thick socks, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, me again, I'm not the type to really wear socks with sandals and slides, so I just went a size down, and I kind of like my, you know, slides fitting a little more, you know, fitted. So, but I can say these are comfortable. I am content and satisfied, and yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Goodbye and peace.